morning. We're coming at you from Buenos Aires. We've been here for about a week, and yeah, we'll show you some of Buenos Aires, do another vlog style video, do a comparison of Buenos Aires to Medellin. I mean, that's where I've been for the longest amount of time, almost 6 years. So this video will be like comparing Buenos Aires and prices and just overall, you know, how it is here. So this is the view from the balcony. I'll give you a quick tour of our Airbnb that we got. We're here for a month, and yeah, this is really nice little balcony area, and it's kind of a small apartment. Here's like the living room, kitchen, and then it goes up to the top where the bedroom is, so it's like a duplex. And this was $1,800 for the month. Not the cheapest option, but we're in Palermo, Hollywood, which is the nicest neighborhood. And we got a little balcony here too. So pretty nice. You got a balcony right off of the bedroom, and also a balcony down there on the bottom floor. So this is not the cheapest Airbnb. They had some for a lot cheaper. And from what I understand, Argentina's got a lot more expensive than last month. We kind of missed that period of, you know, really cheap living in Argentina. Right now, if I had to compare it to Colombia and Medellin, it's still slightly cheaper than Medellin, but not much. But I would say the quality is a lot better, especially in the food. The food is some of the best I've ever had in the world. Yeah, we'll be showing you some food today. We're going to the market that they have in San Telmo, I think it's called. And yeah, we'll show you some food, the area of Palermo. We've been wanting to come to Buenos Aires for a while now. Figure we might as well do it now while we're doing the renovation process of the Airbnb. Originally, we were gonna wait till after that was done to come. But I thought it was gonna take 2 months, and it's looking like it's gonna be more 3, probably 4 months to finish that. So yeah, we figured we might as well just come here while that's kind of in process. We're gonna be here for a month, and then after this we're gonna go to Brazil, so Sao Paulo and Rio for about a week apiece in each of those cities, and then we'll head back to Medellin to finish up the renovation process, and yeah, hopefully that all goes smoothly. What's your thoughts on Buenos Aires so far?
I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. People are nice. It's safe.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I've never felt safer in Latin America.
Yeah.
And the food is amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna show you food today at the market, and yesterday we got a steak for $7. To me, this is nicer than Europe.
It is.
Anywhere that we've been in Europe, I think this is nicer, more modern, way more clean.
Clean.
Way
I
more
was
clean.
gonna say, like, the streets, there. It seems like if they clean them every day or something.
It's insane, yeah.
And our shoes don't get as dirty like as in like Colombia or yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at these streets, how clean, everything is green.
Oh, that's the other
trees.
thing, the greenery.
Yeah.
They have a lot of green. In Europe, they barely had like any trees. Let's go
So where are we going first?
to the pink house.
Yeah. Impressions of Buenos Aires?
It's beautiful. It's huge. When we were driving here, I was like, oh my god, this is huge.
Yeah, what I can't believe is like how modern everything is. Or like how inexpensive it is.
And that is South America. So
Yeah. Well, I mean, it was settled by Europeans, so that's why. They have nice bakeries, cafes everywhere. Also, way less chaotic in Colombia. Oh my god.
You were a little bit scared to bring the camera, but this is nothing.
They have street markets and Sunday markets in Colombia, but it is absolute chaos. And it's not just like the markets; it's like everything there is chaos.
And the vendors. are on
The
top
vendors, the traffic is chaos. Here, like the roads are pretty much all first world. Like it's like the U.S. almost. Okay, so we made a pit stop for breakfast, and this is Medellin. It's famous in
Our
Argentina.
first.
And then this is like a quiche, like a tartar, right?
Can I eat?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Good?
Back on the things at once, so you notice when I'm gone, gone.
up?
What's up? What are you doing in my office?
Just came for a quick visit.
Yeah, just paying some bills. We're here in Buenos Aires, so I'm just reviewing bills that they sent us from the project that we're doing at the house. So we'll get these paid, and then the rest of the day we can do whatever we want. I think we're gonna go to Palermo, Soho later this afternoon and get some food, some beer. Come check out some of the photos, progress of the house. So right now we're doing demolition.
Se puede partir muy fácil. Aquí tenemos esta zona acá ya. La otra alcoba ya la tenemos marcada. La alcoba va allá, acá. Este muro lo debemos parar hoy. ¿Listo? Un chape para que este piso nos quede más libre.
Yeah, it's a whole process. This is the renders of what the outside is going to look like. So that's the pool, jacuzzi right there, and then we're going to do a cold plunge right here. So that's kind of the concept that we have going on right now for that house. Definitely, I would not trust being away from doing like a big renovation construction project. But we've already done this process before, and we have people that we know, can trust with doing everything while we're gone. Otherwise, yeah, definitely I would not be comfortable with being away like in another country while we're doing a big project like that. But yeah, definitely once you have like a good team set up, people that you can trust, that's like the most important thing. Then yeah, you can be pretty much wherever, even when things are going on, like construction. We had to be there like to close the deal, so like to search for the property, see the property, close the deal. But yeah, we really wanted to check out some more countries and cities, and decided to come to Buenos Aires for a month. Like I said, we got Brazil coming up for 2 weeks after this, Sao Paulo and Rio. Then we'll head back to Medellin to finish up the project, get photos of the place, get a list on Airbnb, and from there we'll see. We don't have plans after that.
Oh. How do you follow up with your team over there?
So it's all WhatsApp. We communicate WhatsApp, call them a couple times a week, make sure everything's like going on time, in order, everything's getting done. Also, we have other team members from Stacy, our team, that go physically there, check on the project, the process, make sure it's going. But yeah, again, just making sure that you have people that you trust, that's the most important thing.
Do you think it's possible to start a project in Medellin being completely away? For example, if I live outside of Colombia and because of my job I cannot be there physically, is it possible to start a project like that?
I think you have to be there to like see the place. Like obviously you can have someone go take videos, photos, but it's not, like it's totally different, like seeing it in person yourself versus like a video or photo of it. So I think you got to be there in person for that, to see it, make sure that's something that you want, it's in a good area. And then you got to close everything. So like in Colombia, you have to go to a notary. It's kind of old fashioned. You have to go to a notary, sign everything like in person, in writing in hand. But after that's done, if you have people that you can trust, then you can be anywhere. Obviously, after you get the project done, if you have a team that you can trust, around that business, then you can be anywhere. Like last year, we were around for like 6 months of the year.
Oh. And you were saying that it's about communication, that you communicate a lot with your team. How do you do it, like with the language? Do you communicate? How do you communicate with them?
You help me a lot. But also we hire people that are bilingual too. So I communicate with them in English, or like some of our workers only speak Spanish, and I speak some Spanish, but things I don't understand, I just Google Translate, copy paste into the message.
How many hours do you work a week or a day?
On like actual Airbnb, like
Yeah.
this, probably 5 hours, to be honest. It's not that much. It's more, mostly it's paying bills. So paying bills takes sometimes, I don't know, like 2-3 hours. Everything else we have automated. We have a team around everything again. So automatic messages. We have a manager. We have concierge. So we have cleaners, but everything's pretty much automated with that. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna get back to work. We're gonna finish making the payments. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then we'll show you some of Soho. We're getting some wine. This was $7 for the bottle, and cheese and